This for the players out there, check out this dope shit, man.
Players never die, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar living in the bay. Hustling for my fetty, trying to plan my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix where they trying to get my papers.
This for the players.
Players never die, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar living in the bay. Hustling for my fetty, trying to plan my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix where they trying to get my papers.
The civil authorities has issued a local area emergency for Allegheny, PA. A truck was carrying chemicals in downtown Pittsburgh, and got into an accident, causing the chemicals to spill everywhere. The police is requesting all residents in downtown Pittsburgh to remain indoors until the chemicals has been cleared. Stay tuned to local media news and outlets.